Action! Cut!
To Mrs. Look take note.
Want to masih Science Department untuk masih DC.
Very hard to be again. Goodbye is not forever. Goodbye are not the end.
It simply means we all miss you.
Until we meet again.
Life is a marathon and not a 400-meter race. Thanks for making this your pit stop, Mrs. Look. We hope you've refueled enough for the journey ahead. All the best, and we will miss you dearly from the P department. Thank you, Mrs. Look.
How much I love you. Come with me.
Dear Mrs. Look, in the 6 memorable years you were with us, your hair changed from long to short to long, then from long to short again. Your range of colorful dresses changed with the seasons and the occasions, but something never changed. Your perpetual smile that made our day, your comforting arm around our shoulders when we were feeling down, your generosity in sponsoring so many things, including dresses for Mardi Gras, your encouragement and support for whatever we do, and most of all, we thank you for your belief in us. You have certainly given us an enriching 6 years. While we celebrate your promotion, we will certainly miss you, and we sincerely wish you from the bottom of our hearts good health, happiness, and youth forever. Best wishes from us all, Physics Department. Dear Mrs. Look, we are no poets, but these are really words from our hearts, and we really wish you all the best.
Your head is aching. I'll make it better, 'cause I love the way you call me baby, and you take me the way I am. I'd buy you Rogaine when you start losing all your hair, sew on patches to all you tear, 'cause I love you more than I could ever promise, and you take me the way
We googled this Irish blessing especially for you. May the sun shine all day long, everything go right and nothing wrong. May those you love bring love back to you, and may all the wishes you wish come true. Thank you very much, Mrs. Look. We will miss you.